Still wasting hours guessing which affiliate products will sell? In 2025, guesswork is dead. And AI just became your smartest business partner. If you want to discover hot products, skip the competition, and make smarter affiliate money faster, this video is for you. Most affiliate marketers are still using trial and error, but AI tools can now research, analyze, and even suggest winning products in seconds. Whether you're a beginner or scaling up, this is how pros stay ahead. Start with a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude. Ask it, what affiliate products are trending in health tech this year? Or compare top digital products for beginners with high commissions. You'll instantly get research suggestions and content ideas, saving hours of work. Koala AI turns keywords or niches into full SEO-optimized affiliate blog posts. Add your links, hit publish, and start ranking. It's perfect for faceless content creators who want Google traffic on autopilot. If you're into Amazon affiliate marketing, Sellesta scans product listings, reviews, and keywords to show you what sells and why. It's like having an AI-powered product detective working for you. Want to validate what's working? Use Intellifluence to see what influencers are already promoting, then piggyback on proven products or even partner with them to boost visibility. Here's the workflow I recommend. Ask ChatGPT or Claude for niche product ideas. Use Koala AI to create content around the top pick. Validate demand using Google Trends or Sellesta. Find influencer validation on Intellifluence. Publish and repeat. No guesswork, just results. AI doesn't just save time, it multiplies your potential. In 2025, the winners in affiliate marketing are using data-driven tools, not intuition. The best part? These tools are available to everyone. You just need to use them right. If you found this valuable, imagine what you'll gain from more AI smart income strategies. Subscribe now to join the Next Gen Hustle community, where we break down tools, workflows, and real ways to make digital money smarter, not harder. Your future self will thank you.